Laboratory number 5, Plasticity of Soil. Materials for cup method and fall cone method. Cone penetrometer apparatus, Casa Grande apparatus, grooving tool, mixing bowl, spatula, disturbed soil sample, graduated cylinder, distilled water, pan, sieve number 200. Weighing balance. Procedure for the cup method. First, take about 120 grams of dried sample passing number 40 sieve. In this case, we use dried sample passing number 200 sieve. Pour the distilled water at the graduated cylinder and little by little add it to the dried sample. Mix thoroughly the sample prepared with distilled water in a mixing bowl to form a uniform paste. Adjust the drop of the cup of the liquid limit device by releasing the two screws at the top and by using the handle of the grooving tool. Take a portion of paste prepared and place it in the cup of the device using a spatula. Level the soil to have a minimum depth as 1 cm at the point of the maximum thickness. Then, cut the groove at the center of the soil path using the grooving tool. Rotate the handle of the device at a uniform weight. Count the number of blows respectively until the parted soil meets. Take note that the allowable number of blows does not exceed 25 times. And then, take a portion from the paste in apparatus cup, get its mass, oven dried until the constant weight was achieved. Get again its mass, and record it. Repeat the procedures for at least 2 more trials with varying moisture content. Procedure for the fall cone test. Using the same paste used in each trial on Casa Grande apparatus, put the paste into the apparatus cup. Make sure not to trap air bubbles or to work the mixture excessively. Make sure that the apparatus is leveled. Place the apparatus cup with soil paste in the fall cone apparatus. Lower the cone by rotating the knob in counterclockwise direction so that it touches the surface of the paste. And then, release the cone and record the penetration value. To get the moisture content of the sample, take a portion from the paste in apparatus cup. Get its mass and record it. Oven dried it until the constant weight was achieved. And then again, get its mass and record it. Repeat the procedures for at least 2 more trials with varying moisture content. For plastic limit, the materials are the portion of soil, spatula, mixing bowl, and the glass plate. Take a small portion of paste used in each trial and Casagrande apparatus method. Roll the paste on smooth and non-porous surface. Use sufficient pressure to roll the paste into a thread of uniform diameter. Continue rolling the paste until the mixture breaks itself. Measure the diameter of the broken paste and see if it meets the 3.2 mm standard. Place the thread in the aluminum container, then weigh it and record it. Oven dry the threads and get its oven dried mass. Repeat the procedures for at least 2 more trials with varying moisture content. To solve for the liquid limit using the Casagrande method, liquid limit is equals to W sub n multiplied to n over 25 raised to tangent beta, wherein n is equals to number of blows, W sub n is equals to the moisture content, the tan beta is equals to 0.121. Now, to solve for the liquid limit using Falcone method, LL is equals to W over 0.65 plus 0.0175D, wherein W stands for moisture content and D stands for Falcone penetration. And then, to solve for the plastic limit, moisture content is equals to W sub W over W sub X, wherein W sub W is equals to weight of water and the W sub S is equals to weight of soil sample. Lastly, to solve for the plasticity index is equals to liquid limit minus plastic limit.